So guys, we're here at Pai Hotel because we're gonna try out the barbecue weekend grilled meat platter. And this is what I'm cooking now. And for the barbecue platter, it's freshly made. And parang nagkayuho. And it's made of, pwede ka mag-pork. Barbecue skewer, chicken wings. Parehan ni mana na yung kompleto na platter.
Bako. Bako.
Sorry. Lain-lain na. Bako. Chorizo. Wala yung labot si Christine Sabas, ha?
Wala yung labot, sir.
Oh, dili na to 180 pesos. Sana
Try it out. Every Saturday. There's a bar.